Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Tariqul Islam. I am from group B-3. In this week, I work on the dataset and to train a decision tree model. First of all, I imported the dataset using pandas library, and then I checked if there is any missing value. There was no missing value, and then I checked the categorical features which is need to be converted into one-hot encoding using one-hot encoding. Then I converted this categorical feature type using the one-hot encoding. Then there was some unnecessary features that was not necessary for the model, so I excluded them from the dataset. Then I splitted the dataset into majority and minority group. Majority group means based on the majority class, which is non-fraud, and the minority set was based on the minority class fraud. Then and as there was my minority fraud was minority class was 8,000, about 8,000, and non-majority fraud are huge. Then I did randomly sampled 8,000 majority class and the 8,000 minority class, then merged them together and shuffled them to get a balanced data set. Then I split the data set into 80% training set and 20% test set. Then I trained my decision tree model with the training set, then predicted the output using the test set, and my prediction accuracy is 93%. There is still room for improvement because I did not scale the some numerical integer columns. If I do some scaling and other sampling technique and other robust algorithms that work better than decision tree, and I hope the accuracy result will improve. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Ishtiaq Hussain. I am from group B3. And this is our 8-week Capstone video journal presentation. This week basically I do a lot of research about how do we pre-process our dataset. This I find there are three methods like oversampling, undersampling and smart. And basically I read the undersampling and oversampling. That can be done also in randomly. And I apply in dataset, and I want to find out the accuracy of the running algorithm like decision tree or Guinea, Delta Guinea, whatever it is. I also make the video presentation for this week, and I also contributed in report for the team. That's all. Thank you everyone.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ashfaqullah from group B3. In this our Capstone project topic name is fraud classification in high dimensional big data. In this week I read a paper which is our project related, and the paper is the value of intrusion detection system in information technology security architecture, which is published by Information System Research in March 2005. In this paper, they seek to assess the value of IDS in a firm's IT security architecture. They find the IDS configuration and represent by detection true positive and false alarm false negative. Rates determines whether a firm realize a positive or negative value from the IDS. And in this paper they also talk about the related work done so far, and they also talk about the overview of IDS technology, and they present their model description in this paper, where they divide their model into two parts, stage 1 and stage 2. Stage 1 is firm chooses whether or not implement an IDS, and in stage 2 firm decides whether to use its own configuration or the default configuration, and firm decides on its monitoring strategy, while user chooses his hacking strategy, and payoffs are realized. And they present as a model analysis, where they present as a list of notation, uh, uh, parameters and strategic values. And they also talk about the value of IDS. The value of IDS, they analyze if the firm should implement an IDS. By deriving the value of an IDS, the firm will choose the implement an IDS if it is offer a positive value to the firm, and they calculate the value of IDS. And they also analyze the value of IDS, and they further discuss their limitation of their work and future research direction. In this week, I also start learning Julia for machine learning. Julia works, and thank you.
Hi, I'm Atiful Islam Shojib from Group B-3. Today I read another thesis paper which is based on the effective detection online banking fraud on extremely imbalanced data. In this paper, they use the decision forest for prediction the risk scoring. For data pre-processing, they use sampling bootstrap algorithm, then it selects the best feature among them. For imbalanced data, the classification, they use the neural network. It performs with the best accuracy and the efficiency than other algorithms just like SVM, decision tree, Bayesian network and other algorithms, etc. In this paper, they use the three algorithms and their accuracy is about by detected by expert system only is 49.2%, and detected by expert with both system the accuracy is 68.8%, and detected by the system only the accuracy is 24%. Thank you.